Connection Client, your gateway to cloud services, portals, and analytics. I will be talking about Bentley's Connection Client and the importance of Connection Client. We are in need to migrate to Connection Client since Bentley's Select Server licensing will cease to be the licensing manager for Select Service products. The licensing and tracking will then be done through Connection Client. This is for all Connect Edition products. Connection Client requires that you log in and have the proper credentials, Caltrans email. We tried to roll out Bentley Connection Client and Microsoft Federated Services statewide so that as you log into a workstation it would also log into Connection Client, but that has failed to work out for us. So, at this moment you must manually create a login account on Bentley Connection Client. We are continuing to work with Bentley so that you don't have to maintain separate passwords. If you fail to log in, the reason may be that Connection Client is too old and must be updated. Please contact your district CAD managers. If you forget your password or get locked out, again please contact your local district CAD managers. So, I am going to step you through. 1. Creating an account on Bentley Connection Client. 2. Show and step you through Connection Client. 3. And what Bentley Services has to offer. I will walk you through some of the settings on Connection Client. 1. What the different features are. 2. What the preferences and settings you can change yourself. 3. Then talk a little about Connect Advisor later in this video, or I may have to make a separate video depending on time. General tab on Connection Client. Currently we don't know how this feature will work with Microsoft Federated Services, whether you will see anything at all. HQ CAD will coordinate with the district CAD managers and will be notified how this will work. Notification tab on Connection Client. I prefer notifications to be turned off. No news is good news. If you prefer notifications turned on, news that does not pertain to your work can and will slow you down and could slow your PC. Updates tab on Connection Client. Connection Client also provides access to updates to the software. This is sort of problematic for us, since you, our users, may not have sufficient administrative rights to install software updates on our workstations. But if you get a notification on a new update to the software, notify your district CAD manager and they can get it installed after it has been vetted. Share tab on Connection Client. It's part of Bentley's cloud services concept for sharing data, whether it's through project-wise shares or connection client shares. This is a cloud-based functionality. We do not currently use this method of managing projects. We will remain using our current method of project management to access projects on our servers. Account tab on Connection Client. Last tab shows information about you and your account. This is used to track activity and grant access to Bentley services. Another feature to Connection Client is access to the Connections Center. This provides access to training and news information. Also, provides access to Bentley communities. Finally, it also provides entitlements, depends on options that will be set for you to access, downloads. See My Services. Product documentation.